Okay, AI has officially reached another level. Over the past few months, we've created a lot of AI-generated music videos and songs, and some of them have actually gone viral. During that time, we've tested countless AI tools, and almost every new platform claims to be the next big breakthrough. But this one immediately caught our attention. Apparently, you can now upload a single photo and AI will generate an entire song based on the mood and atmosphere of that image. I've never seen AI approach music creation quite like this before. The more I thought about it, the more it actually made sense. As a musician or songwriter, creativity doesn't usually start with lyrics or chords. It starts with a feeling, a certain atmosphere, a moment that inspires you. When the vibe is right, melodies come naturally, the lyrics flow more easily, everything starts to fit together. So what if AI could understand that feeling from just one image? That's exactly what we're going to find out today. The tool we're testing is MusicCreator AI, and we're going to see if it can actually turn a photo into a song that captures the same emotion. We used ChatGPT to create this image of a live jazz performance featuring a singer, a pianist, a double bassist, and a drummer. What's really interesting is that by using a single image, we can define not only the overall mood of the song, but also the instruments we want the AI to use. Now let's upload the image. From here, we can add a few extra details, like what we want the song to be about and which language it should be in. Once that's done, we simply click Generate Music. Within a few seconds, the AI generates the lyrics automatically. Of course, you can edit or rewrite them however you like. After that, just click Generate Now, and the AI starts creating the music. It only takes a short moment. When it's finished, you can listen to the different versions, pick your favorite one, and that's it. It's honestly that simple, and a really impressive tool.
In the hush of velvet evenings, soft piano starts to play. Glances shared behind closed curtains, words we never have to say.
What you just watched was only a short preview of the full song. The music video was created with AI using tools like Kling AI and Freebeat AI to bring the images to life. We've actually made a more in-depth video about that workflow before, so if you'd like to learn how we create AI music videos, be sure to check it out. If you'd like to try MusicCreator AI yourself, you'll find our affiliate link in the description below. By signing up through our link, you'll receive free credits to get started. And remember, MusicCreator AI doesn't just let you create songs from images, you can also use a regular text prompt, just like with other AI music generators, to describe the style, mood, or lyrics you have in mind, and the AI will generate a complete song for you. We've also included links to Kling AI and Freebeat AI in the description below, where you can get exclusive discounts. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you think about creating music from a single image, and whether you prefer using a photo or a traditional text prompt. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.